Do you drive a lot for your business? Have you got QuickBooks? Now, I would definitely recommend QuickBooks when it comes to mileage solutions. QuickBooks has a functionality that is really quick and easy to use when you want to track your mileage. On the dashboard screen, what we can do is go down to our expenses and click mileage. And this is exactly where you can log all of your mileage. As you can see, there is an app you can use to do this automatically. Alternatively, if we click skip for now, we can add the trip manually in here, and it allocates all of the relevant information you need already, so you don't have to do it for you. So you can click add trip, and you can say, as of today, I drove 50 miles. This is the starting point. This is the end point. It was business or personal. And then this is the reason why it was business related. The vehicle I'm going to choose is my vehicle, and this can be managed later on. I'll show you that shortly. And I want to say this is a round trip, so I'm going there and I'm also coming back. So I click that. And once this relevant information is filled in, I can click save. Any mileage that is relating to personal reasons will not be claimed on your business accounts because it is personal expenses rather than you as a business mileage. So what we can now see is we have a business section and it has our mileage from and to, and it is telling us our potential deductions. At this point, it is potential because we have not finalised the mileage for the whole year. What you can also do is have a look at all of the mileage. So you can click on all, and this will show you all of the mileage you have put into QuickBooks. So that will be your personal as well as your business. And if you wanted to manage your vehicles, you can click this button here where it says manage vehicles, and you can put the relevant information in here. So again, I need to make sure I populate all of this information for it to be allocated properly for year end. So I need to choose the type of vehicle, so car, motorcycle, or bicycle. And then I need to choose the name of the vehicle. So calling it my vehicle probably won't be helpful if you have multiple vehicles in the company. So maybe say the make and the model of the vehicle, what year the vehicle is, and the ownership status. This is really important for your expenses. So do you own this vehicle or do you lease this vehicle? What is the date you brought the vehicle? What is the date placed in service? And then do you want to set this as your primary vehicle? So it will always populate as my vehicle when you do your trips. And then how do you want to record mileage for this year? So by business use of vehicle, by recording odometer readings, by entering the total miles. You can choose whichever one you want. And then click save. If this vehicle is no longer in use, you can click vehicle no longer in use, and then QuickBooks will not show it for you on your next trip. But alternatively, if you're happy that this is correct and should be still in use, you click save. And there you have it. That is a really quick tour on mileage within QuickBooks. I hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe and follow along for more QuickBooks tutorials from Berson's Academy. See you at the next one.